Congratulations. Thank you guys so much for joining the course. I really appreciate that you're going to spend your time with me here. And I can guarantee that this is probably one of the best uses of time that you can have in your life, because selling on Amazon and learning e-commerce in general, starting my own business, has been the best time of my life, best time spent from a money perspective, but also just gaining my freedom and learning about myself and just making life better. And if you bought this course, you are in the process of, already have, or want to make your life better. And that's the people that I want to surround myself with. So I've committed so much time and energy over a year and a half to making this course and just providing it to be the best resource, sharing everything that I know and then all the experts know about selling on Amazon to give you guys the best chance at success. Now, we can't guarantee it because you need to take action, but everything that you need to know is going to be in here. So I really appreciate that you guys are in here. Just thank you so much. This course and everything that is in here and in selling on Amazon in general has just given me the freedom. I started with $100 when I was out of college, and I built my business all the way up to millions of dollars from the ground up. And there's not a better opportunity in the world than selling on Amazon. So I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys. I'm really excited and motivated when you guys go ahead and take action and let me know. There's not a day on Instagram that I don't get messages from you guys, and I really appreciate it. It changed my life first, and that's changing other people's lives. It's a pretty cool thing. So just want to let you guys know, thank you very much for that. Just want to quickly explain some information about me and why I'm qualified to be teaching this for you guys. So I've been selling on Amazon since 2014, and I've sold over 5,000 different products on the platform in every way possible: retail, arbitrage, wholesale, as well as I even did a little bit of drop shipping. You don't want to do drop shipping. And then private label, which is what this course is about. And yes, built a multi-million-dollar business. And then we also have all the other experts in here for something that, somebody who spends their entire life on a single topic. But back to myself. So that was my Amazon success. But before that, I also have an educational background in applied mathematics and computer science. So I like numbers. And then I also have my business degree. So I understand all of that. And I minored in economics with that degree. So I understand how things work at a fundamental basis because Amazon is just a marketplace and people are buying. So it's all based on economics and math and business principles. So I'm very well educated in that type of background. And my father was worked at a hospital in banking. So I've been learning business my entire life and running businesses my whole life. Not very successful when I was a young teenager early in college, but I figured it out as time went on. So I'm glad to be sharing all of that information with you guys. So did that, taught over 10,000 students to date here, and had so many success stories. I've spoken at conferences around the world. I've consulted with a whole bunch of businesses, a lot of beginners, and really helping them get started, but then also 6, 7, and 8-figure sellers. And I found that nobody knows everything. And there's something that we're all great at and something that we're all weak at. So no matter where you're at, there's something in here to bring you value. And I guess the flip side of that is you don't need to know everything. There's a lot of successful people that don't know it all. You would be surprised of $20 million sellers that somebody who is a beginner knows something that they don't. But that's the great thing is you just need to be good at a certain couple of things and choose a path. And there's a lot of paths to success with this business model. And that's what the greatest thing about it. Now, what makes this course different than all the other courses out there is we provide all the steps you need to do to start your business. But we go in depth. We don't just say find a product, list it, find a supplier, launch it, and then go. There's other courses out there that are shorter and really to the point, but you need to know how to do certain things. I haven't found a single course in the world that actually goes deep on what is truly important. And so we've gone deep into that. So you want to get the best product photos, for example. We have a whole bunch of videos with professional photographers actually talking about how to make your product look good on Amazon, because when you're on the internet, that's all people can see. So we go really in depth on that, and we do that with each topic. You could just watch the overview videos if you just want to learn the steps, but we provide everything you need to actually build your business. So that's what makes this unique. And then we also have all of the extra experts helping to teach us that. So you're not only learning from my success, but you're also learning from each of these experts who have helped thousands and thousands of people in that individual area. So by seeing all these examples, we can really find out what works the best. And then we also teach frameworks. So some people might think it's not actionable, but that's just a video where we're teaching you how it works. Because here's the thing, if we just teach you guys, do this, the video becomes outdated when the steps change. But if we teach you guys to understand how it works and why it works and how to navigate it, then now you can even find a better way than we teach to do it. Or when things change, now you know how to just do it yourself. And that's what's great. And then it also applies to more than just Amazon. If you want to expand to Shopify or other places on the internet or other businesses, we're actually teaching all the fundamental principles of running a business, how commerce, how economics and psychology. We're teaching the frameworks of how humans and the internet work in this digital age and how you can go about navigating it. So that's what's pretty neat about this. You get the steps and you get the framework, and you get to understand why. So by going through and really watching all of this, you should understand how to solve problems for yourself, and that's a skill that you have for the rest of your life. That's what I love. I love learning and understanding how things work, and that's how I'm able to navigate anything that I come across in my life. So I hope to share that with you guys in this. So now the way that this course is structured is there is essentially a beginner part, which is about a 2-hour overview of how the whole Amazon process works, high level and knowing what to look for, how the business model works each step of the way, so that you understand, okay, I see how this works. I see where the opportunities are, what to look for. And just within 1 hour, you'll understand, okay, this is how Amazon works. It's where the opportunity is, how to find products, see how much they're selling, and actually find products that you could source right now, and then how to go and find a supplier right away. So we'll give you all of that stuff so you can just get and take an action. So by the end of today, you could be up and going and seeing products that you could actually be sourcing and making money. And then that is that whole process there. And then now to actually do it right, if you're going to be investing money in a product and starting a business, you want to make sure to do that right. Especially if you don't have that much money, you want to spend that money very efficiently and make sure you do it right. So that's where the second part of the course starts, which is after that beginner part. Sometimes we'll reference it to the beginner part of the video, and then there's like the intermediate is what the rest of it is. So the intermediate is actually the full course. So you might actually see the course twice in here, but it's 2 hours in the beginning, and then the rest of it is the whole course. So you want to make sure you're doing it right. And then that is when you're ready to source a product, you go watch the intermediate part after that, or you could just go watch it after you watch the beginner part. But that's how you're going to be a set. We don't want to just go extremely in depth on all these topics without you guys understanding what to look for and getting started, because the most important thing is actually just to get started. So that's what the beginner part is for. If you're advanced or intermediate, go ahead, skip through, go down there and look for the more advanced or in-depth videos for what you want as the course goes on. So the reason that I've made this course is because Amazon completely changed my life. I just out of college, I was able to go and start my own business and gain financial freedom and freedom of my time and travel the world and go do the things that I truly wanted to do with my life. And I've seen it help so many other people. And they're like, I could have gone and charged a lot more money for this. There's people that charge $5,000 for this, but that just didn't feel right. I would just feel wrong taking that much money from somebody and then they didn't take action or be successful. So we wanted to make it accessible to the entire world. And, I started out learning on Udemy here, and I wanted to give it back to the community and just help as many people as possible. So I really hope that you guys go through and take action in here, because we spent so much time on it, and I've seen other people get success. And I can tell you that from watching other successful sellers, they all take massive action and they don't give up. So just don't give up and get through it. And you guys can do it. It's definitely possible. There's hundreds of thousands of Amazon sellers. There's new ones being made every day. And that could be you if you put in the hard work and the time. So I just want to thank you guys for spending your time here, because like I said in the beginning, if you're in here, you want to make your life better, or you already are, but you want to get more out of it. That's what this course is for. And just gathering and helping all the people that want to make their life better, because you guys, I know that you are making your life better, and you're going to make the people's lives around you better. But first you got to help yourself and really power yourself up. That's how I always believe it for myself. So wherever you're at, whether you just want to grow your business or you want to start one, All right. You want to just quit your job and just gain financial freedom, enough time to spend with your family and your friends, or make just enough to go traveling. Or you want to build well, I don't know if I could help you build $1 billion business. Okay. But there's definitely a lot of $1 million businesses that get made on Amazon all the time. So whatever it is, set that intention. And if you know that if you work hard enough, you don't give up, that you can do that. And this is the best business opportunity to do that right now in history. So yeah, I hope that you guys really work hard and enjoy this. And yeah, looking forward to teaching you guys.